Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video I'm going to be doing my March Ipsy. So if you're interested, keep watching. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is my Ipsy bag for March. Let's open her up. I am going to the Sicilian festival that we go to every year, so that's why I have my little Italian eyes. Let's see what we got this month. This is the bag. So cute. Let's see what the card says, if it says anything. Power Moves. That is the name of the bag this month. Dynamic Skincare Duos. Ooh. Power Moves. Alright, the first thing I pick up is from Wonder Beauty. This is Staycation Hydrating Mask. Let's see what it looks like. I do love me some masks. That is the bottle, pink plastic. Let's see what that says about this one. It says face mask. The fast-acting formula helps to restore moisture levels, smooth inflammation, plump fine lines, and wrinkles. That's what I need. And improve skin texture with a blend of ceramides, plant oils, and peptides. The value of this item is $38. So I love me some masks. I can't wait to try that one. The next thing I pick up is this Vizzie Art Palette. It's Petite Pro Trace. So cute. Vizzie Art makes some really nice eyeshadows, but they're so expensive. Let's see what it looks like. Look how cute. It's so tiny. And it pops up like that. Those are so tiny. I do have all of these shades in my collection, so I'm probably going to put it in a giveaway. So that is so cute though for like on the go travel. Let's see, it says this compact palette, it's a perfect travel size, packs some serious punch, complete with 8 super pigmented and blendable shades and matte satin and shimmer finishes. It's got everything you need to channel your inner makeup artist. The MSRP or the value of this item is $30. Yeah, $30 for this little thing. They are not cheap. Vizzie Art is not cheap. Let's see, the next thing we pick up is going to be from ABH, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This is their brow pencil. I know I got this because I use it all the time, so I know that I picked this. I remember that. This is the Brow Wiz, and they have it in dark brown, and that is the shade that I use. I simply love this brow pencil. I love it, love it, love it. I use it all the time. I could show you. It's right here. I already have one. So it has the point. It's really fine line, and it's very creamy, but it stays on the brow, so you know that your brows are not going to go anywhere. Like you wear them all day and it's still going to be there. And you get a little spoolie on the other end. I don't really use that spoolie, but this is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful brow pencil. If you are in the need for one, I highly recommend this one. Let's see what it says. It says complete with an ultra fine pencil tip, which is true, and custom spoolie brush. This arch must have makes it easy to score fuller, more defined brows with a minimal effort. And I will contest. That's true. That's true. That's true. So let's see what we got next. So I did get 2 of this liquid eyeshadows, Lucky Chick. I haven't tried that brand before. Have y'all tried that brand? I have not tried it. No. I did not try it before. This one is in Gold Mine and Rose Quartz. I can't wait to try them. Let me swatch them for you. Let's see. Oh, that's so pretty. I love the packaging. So sleek. And then you could see the actual color through it. I like that. It's not glass, but it's plastic, but it's really pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. I like this one. This one is Rose Quartz. And what's the other one? Gold Mine. My camera don't want to focus today. So I wonder how they blend out. Okay, so that's blending out pretty nicely. See how it's blending out and it's drying down? Really pretty. I can't wait to try those on my eyes. Let's see what they say about that one. So it says gel base liquid eyeshadow is a long wearing shimmering eyeshadow with the perfect amount of pearl to give your eyes an incredible lift and luster. This water-infused formula glides on easily and dries smoothly with an incredible lightweight texture. So the MSRP or value of this item is $22. So it's $22 a piece. So that is my Ipsy for March. I'm kind of excited about this one because I can't wait to try this mask. These two eyeshadows I can't wait to try them out because I haven't tried that brand before. Now this one, this is just restocking my stock because I love this one. I would buy it anyway, so that's a plus. And then the Vizzie Art Palette, I already have these colors in my collection, so I will be giving it to one of you guys. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, that was it for my Ipsy bag for March. Let's add it up and see what we got. We got the Wonder Beauty hydrating mask, which was $38. And then we got the Vizzie Art Palette is $30. And then we got the Lucky Chick eyeshadow. So we got two of those. So that's going to be $44. And then we got the ABH Brow Wiz, so that's $23. The total of this bag is $135. Let me know what y'all got this month. If you get Ipsy, if you liked any of my products, let me know, and let me know if you tried anything before, especially this brand. I haven't not tried Lucky Chick. I've never even tried them. I'm gonna have to look them up online. All right guys, y'all stay blessed.